If you want to make the clock in the home screen smaller on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the clock over here so that we can technically change the position, but we want to just drop it back again in order to have the option to change the size of the widget. So in this case, we can change the width of the clock, and as you can see, we can make it a little bit tinier so that we have some additional space over here on the right side, for example, in this case, of course. But if you want to, we can also just remove this clock widget in order to use a different one that can be even smaller. So now I'm gonna press and hold my finger on the home screen in order to go to widgets at the bottom. Now over here we can use, for example, the clock app, because clock app has different widgets that we can use that contain the information about the time. So for example, I'm going to use this digital widget, so we can tap over here and, well, actually I'm going to press and hold my finger and I'm going to drop it, let's say, over here for now. We can also choose the clock style. We can have a solid background color or transparent. I'm going to use transparent in this case, and there we go. The clock has been added. We can change the size, as you can see over here. It is pretty easy to set up the size, and there we go. So we can have a much smaller clock, or of course we can also increase it if you actually want to, but this is how it looks like. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.